Hello, everybody out there. How's it going? How you been doing? Hope you've been doing fine. So today we're gonna learn some vocabulary based on health problems. So let's get started. So if you see right here, okay, on this slide, we have the different pictures based on the most common health problems. So if you see, we have, okay, the title says health problems, but then we have two questions, okay? The first question is, what's wrong? And the other is, what's the matter? Ambos significan en español, ¿qué pasa? So here we have the different common health problems. Okay, we're gonna have the pronunciation in this moment. The first one is asthma, then we have a cough, then we have a headache, a sore throat, a backache, an earache, heartburn, stomachache, broken leg, a fever, the measles, sunburn, a cold, the flu, a rash, and a toothache. So this is, okay, the pronunciation for these common health problems. So one more time, asthma, cough, headache, a sore throat, a backache, an earache, heartburn, stomachache, a broken leg, a fever, the measles, sunburn, a cold, the flu, a rash, and a toothache. Notice that here, for this one right here, what you see in parentheses, that means that you can omit it or not, okay? You can say the measles, or you can only say, okay, measles, not a problem. All right, so maybe the pronunciation, okay, can be a problem, okay? But, okay, I have the next slide for you with the pronunciation. Check it out. This is, okay, the other slide with the pronunciation. So we're gonna go through this, okay, together. Number one is a rash, a flu, a fever, a headache, stomachache, a backache, a toothache, an earache, a sore throat, a cold, migraine, chicken pox, and also measles. Notice that here, okay, on the left part of this slide, we have the vocabulary about health problems. But in the right side, we have in blue color the pronunciation, okay, which is really helpful for you. So that's the correct pronunciation of these, okay, different vocabulary about health problems. So remember that when we have this, okay, termination, okay, this one right here, okay, that I'm just, okay, underlining, all right, the pronunciation at the end is gonna be ache, all right, so that's gonna be the pronunciation, okay? So that's why we have the pronunciation. One more time together: a rash, a flu, a fever, a headache, a stomachache, a backache, a toothache, an earache, a sore throat, a cold, a migraine, chicken pox, and also measles. So that's basically the pronunciation, okay, for these different words. So remember what I was telling you. All right, this termination right here with A-C-H-E, all right, the ones that have this, okay, termination, A-C-H-E, the pronunciation is gonna be ache. All right, so don't forget that. Pronunciation is gonna be ache. All right, guys, so now, okay, that we have the pronunciation, okay, so you can start with the pronunciation first, all right, trying to pronounce it very well, and then later, okay, as a second step, can be this one, okay? So you have the pictures, and also you know the meaning of the different health problems, all right? And then after pronouncing very well, okay, you understand the meaning, okay, through the pictures. So one more time with the pronunciation using this slide: asthma, a cough, a headache, a sore throat, a backache, an earache, heartburn, a stomachache, a broken leg, a fever, measles or the measles, sunburn, a cold, the flu, a rash, and also a toothache. All right, so with the different pictures, you already know the meaning of it. So number one is, okay, that you need to practice, okay, the pronunciation, which is, okay, the previous slide. What slide? This one right here. So go through pronunciation first, all right, and step number two, okay, identifying the meaning through the pictures and also pronouncing, okay, the vocabulary. And finally, okay, vocabulary, really important? Yes. But remember, okay, it's more important to know how you're gonna use it in a conversation. And boom, here we have the conversation. And if you see already put, okay, the other slide, okay, with the pronunciation, you can actually have it for you to help you up. So here we have the conversation. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to be like role playing this conversation for you so you know, all right, the pronunciation in the correct intonation, rising and falling intonation for this conversation. Check this out. So it says, hi, everybody. How's it going? I don't feel well today. What's going on? I feel under the weather. I have a rash, a flu, a fever, a headache, a stomachache, a backache, a toothache, an earache, a sore throat, a cold, a migraine, chickenpox, a measles. My God, you better go to the doctor. Sure, I will go after class. O tenemos la otra opción que pueden decir, sure, I will go after finishing working. Or you have a third option to respond this. Sure, I will go after doing my house chores. So, tienen tres diferentes formas de contestarle, okay? You have three different options to answer, okay? So, I will go after class. Sure, I will go after finishing working. Sure, I will go after doing my house chores. So, those are the three options, okay, that you can use, okay, to continue with the conversation. And then finally, you say, okay, well, I hope you feel better. Bye. Goodbye. So guys, so this is the conversation. And the title of this conversation is Common Health Problems Conversation. Like you see there, Common Health Problems Conversation. So guys, I hope this is useful for you. Give me a like, subscribe. If you have comments, okay, write them below. All right, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so remember, the more that you watch, the more that you learn, okay, better for you. You grow professionally and personally. And so guys, so give me a like, write your comments, and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye. Catch you later, guys. Step by step. Thanks for learning English with me. Bye-bye.